Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, you guys, so do y'all remember for my birthday how I went to Saltgrass and I had the Cajun ribeye? And the Cajun ribeye came with crawfish, shrimp, tomatoes, and this sauce on top of a ribeye. And we got green beans and mashed potatoes. And Ronald have a Caesar salad. And I have potato soup. Now, the only problem with this time, you guys, they didn't drench it the way they did mine. So for mine, my steak had a lot of that sauce on the top. This time,
it's all over on the plate.
Not on mine. All right, you guys. So today we had another date day. Y'all know Mommy Rome love date days with her man. I want to taste the steak, y'all. I hope everyone has been having a great day. I apologize for those Christmas videos. I know Tiffany and Stephanie put in a comment that those were last year videos, but y'all, I told y'all in my last steak video, y'all gonna watch them and enjoy them. Let's see what Daddy Rome think about this steak. And it don't look well done. His don't. Mine.
Tastes good.
Did you taste it with
everything on it?
Mm-hmm. Try with everything on it. It's really good. It really don't have as much sauce as it did the last time, but the seasoning and the flavor is really good to me personally. I'm very picky about my steaks, and I can't see myself ordering this more. Next time, I was just telling them extra sauce. Because the first time I didn't have to because they put extra sauce on it. Get you tomato, crawfish. Baby, you ate this. You hungry. I'm gonna get you. You eating the fork. I'm gonna go get him a real fork. He a goat. I'll be right back.
I was trying to bite everything, y'all.
He bit everything all right.
I took 2 bites off the fork, y'all. Look at that. It was good, y'all. Minus that part of it.
So I hope everyone had a happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day was yesterday because we were recording this on Saturday.
Yeah. You about to mix your days up?
I was, because I don't know when this upload. This probably gonna upload tomorrow. Wow. I dropped it on my mouth.
Making a mess.
I can't open it. Baby, ain't nothing in here.
Use that one.
I don't know nothing in that one. Y'all know I love their bread. They gave it to me. Oh, hell. I don't know what's wrong with the egg, y'all. I don't want to open up. You want some?
You don't need it.
I know you don't need it, but it actually enhances it. I said that in the video when I heard. I'm drinking Sprite too.
It's pretty good though.
So I'm gonna try and get Daddy Rome to record a couple of reviews with me that I've been having for a long time. Once again, I actually still have some of the reviews from when Daddy Ron was home the last time that we never recorded.
They took care of your steak.
What you mean?
Well done.
It's just their baked potato soup. I think that it be missing cheese. Now their potato soup has chunks of potatoes in it.
That make it better, huh?
It makes it more filling. Their baked potato soup tastes more homemade. It's just missing some cheese.
You gotta have cheese.
But I really like it.
Yeah.
Why they make it with cheese? I'm just saying, I like extra cheese.
That's pretty good. I like that. It's got a real good flavor. I like the chunks though. I didn't eat potato soup before, and it's just.
The only problem is the chunks go. You know how I don't have no teeth on those two sides? The chunk be going in the little crack right there.
Yeah, that's good. I made it before and it be watery. I don't like it when it's watery, y'all.
Me neither. I think that's one of the best baked potato soups I tried. It's only missing a little cheese. Any more?
I could definitely go for that.
That potato soup, huh?
That's real good.
I like the way they grill the steak. The ribeyes usually have a good bit of fat on them, though.
Always.
I was gonna get the New York strip, but they had different toppings on it, and I didn't know what it was gonna taste like. I know that this tasted good.
Ribeye hold a good bit of that flavor in it. Ribeye, the fat.
That's what I'm sucking on right now.
Whole good flavor. New York strip okay, but you just gotta watch how you get it cooked. Because it'll dry out.
I like it when we get it from Sam's and you do it on the grill.
I don't do New York's.
I brought that from Sam's before you put it on the grill.
It's been a while. I don't do New York. See, T-bone.
We did a video. We have a YouTube video of you doing it. I think it was last year too. You try the shrimp?
I ate one already.
This is way better than the fish to me.
No, that fish good.
I think it is. I'm eating all the shell. It could be my last 2 times I got the fish. It was small. It was about this small. And for all that money? No, sir.
This would be gigantic.
You need to break me off like you like you've been doing. This is more money than the fish though. Cause I got the 12-ounce one.
Good.
It's worth it though. We were supposed to go in and have dinner, but we should get off too late. Little Ronald sleep. So when we finish eating, we probably gonna take a bath and look at a movie.
Y'all forgive my quietness, but I'm hungry and it's good.
I'm trying to get this fat off.
Well, that's what I've been doing, working. Yeah, this ain't bad. I would have took it cooked like this, like a medium well like this. But if I'd have told him that, then you know how that would have turned out.
Yours actually look medium well.
Mm-hmm.
Mine was well done. I asked for well done. I actually asked for both of them well done. They just did yours medium well. Y'all, I was starving. And now I'm getting full already.
I ain't take long.
I don't know.
I ain't take long at all. You're eating all over.
What you mean?
All over you.
I'm sleepy too. Y'all, I'm so ready for vacation.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of just I like my weekends when daddy roam home, but they be so short.
Yeah. Blink your eye and it's over with.
Right.
And Lil Ronald the worst, y'all. He like got the days count down.
Yes.
How many days you gonna be here?
He have a calendar.
This and that. Daddy, you gonna be here for only 2 nights. And he don't forget, y'all.
He talking about vacation. Daddy gonna be home for 8 nights, mommy.
Yo,
You told him that?
I was counting something else and he hadn't counted it. He already counted it. And I ain't even know.
That's because he know his daddy gonna give him his time, and he know that he gonna do things with him. Which I think every little boy needs to spend some quality time with their daddy, just daddy and son. It doesn't always have to be the whole family. Like, every little boy needs, I don't give a care if they just go and play basketball outside, or Ronald's favorite thing is the bounce house and basketball.
Ronald
That's what he
don't
loves.
Ronald don't like sharing with them.
Yeah.
When daddy come home, it's just they can do their thing and we gonna do our thing.
Like, he don't like the fact that me and him went out today. He kept asking, where y'all going? Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
He wants his daddy to himself. He think nobody's supposed to spend time with him but him.
My baby be chilling.
And then he be having times for things. He know what time his daddy used to take him to the new place.
And
He was stalking his daddy today.
Yeah. Literally, I had something to go do this morning. And they went and made groceries. So I snuck in the store on them. And we was in line. Oh, wait, Daddy. I said, what's wrong, son? It's past 11 o'clock. And we have to be at the place. Okay, son, we gonna go.
I thought you was about to say something about how you jumped, how you scared me.
That's easy. I took our buggy.
Well, he didn't really scare me.
I took our buggy and act like I was gonna take it, y'all. If I would have recorded that, y'all would have been like, oh my goodness. She was like, she was about to give the business, it was about to go down in Walmart, believe me.
He didn't really scare me, y'all. What happened was, I was about to cuss him out. All I knew was, I'm putting my groceries up on the belt for the cashier, and somebody snatched my basket. Mind you, I'm looking down, putting groceries, and I make Ronald, when I'm putting the groceries up, I make him put his hands in my back pocket and like stand right behind me. I don't like him to be wandering in the store or nothing like that. Boy, about to cuss him out. And he thought it was so funny. I'm full.
Me too. You gotta do like I do.
What?
Let him put the groceries on there.
Hell no. I like to put all of my meats together, all of my produce together, all of my canned goods together. He take too long.
So that's why he like to go with his daddy.
He take too long. I tell him if he be good, he can get a surprise. And he be holding me to that too. Was I good, mommy?
That don't even work for me. He just get up front and look at it and look at me and look at it and look at me and be like, Daddy.
Or I'll tell him no. And he'll call his daddy. Or he'll ask me to call his daddy. What?
You ain't drinking next to none.
If you want my Sprite, just say you want my Sprite. Oh, deep throat butt. Look at all that. You drunk from here to here. That's all I got. I ain't gonna drink. I don't think we're gonna have time. If we have time to do a review, well, the same clothes on. If we don't have time tonight, we'll do one tomorrow for y'all.
Probably tomorrow, y'all. That's probably, yeah, because I'm full too, y'all. It's gonna probably be tomorrow. What?
I just don't want my shrimp to go to waste.
I'm about to say I would have ate it for you.
You could eat it.
The shrimp.
I think it's damn shallow.
I know it's on there. It's hard. It was on both of mine. Same way. Well, they overcooked them. Yeah, they overcooked them. But it's good though. Definitely a good pick. I like it. Well, y'all can see I like it. Plate empty.
You eat your salad.
I'll eat that later. Captain Insano probably will take it.
All right, you guys. We want to thank y'all so very much for enjoying this ribeye steak review for Daddy Rome. Daddy Rome first time trying Saltgrass ribeye. It's the Cajun ribeye. Y'all have to check it out. If y'all near Saltgrass, it's really, really good. Usually I get the same thing almost every restaurant I go to. But for my birthday, I tried something different. And I really, really liked it. So I love y'all so very much. I will see you guys in the next video. Excuse me. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a review. Maybe a Christmas review, but it's going to be a review. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Can you do it? And as always, blessings.